Not sure if you can see the howler monkeys. There's a little baby up there. Oh, there's one right there. Let me come around this way, see if the light's better. Let's have a look. Oh, there's another one up there. Thought that was a sloth for a minute. Huh. There's a whole whack of monkeys here. Oh, there's two in there. Right there. There's one right there. See? Right there. Oh, there's a baby right there. Right there. And there's a squirrel. She's just hanging out there, that little baby. See her? It's a tiny little one there. See them all in the trees? Cool.